very cool thing is जब भी वरुण अपना गाना सुनते हैं वो गाड़ी में डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं और फिर वो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी बन जाता है. हमने इनके इतने सारे इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज कैप्चर किए. वरुण वो फीलिंग क्या होती है, मतलब गाना बजते ही आप ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर से हो जाता है.
You know, honestly, ये पहले तो सबको WhatsApp कैसे हो आप लोग. Thank you everyone for coming today. But you know, genuinely अगर मैं कोई भी फिल्म करता हूँ, वो फिल्म से एक दो गाने होते हैं जो obviously you like more than the other songs. तो जब मुझे कोई भी गाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आता है, I can't control myself. If you play it anywhere, I might start dancing. Even if I'm on the road and it plays, I'll just like give a little.
I tell you, वरुण को खुशी होती है कि मेरा गाना बज रहा है, मेरा गाना बज रहा है. It's playing, it's playing, it's playing. तो even I'm on the phone with him and suddenly the song will start playing. अगर हम लोग कोई important भी बात कर रहे हैं ना, he'll stop talking and say the song is playing, change, put the channel. So it is just excitement, passion or excitement.
It's only passion.
इस गाने के पीछे माधुरी जी एंड संजू बाबा, हाउ इज दैट फीलिंग, मतलब
And Saroj ji.
of course, yes.
I think हम सब बहुत nervous थे. Me, Varun, Shashank, Bosco, who's choreographed the song, and we were all very nervous. But I think हमारा एक ही agenda था कि हमको recreate नहीं करना है, हमको tribute देना है almost. कि हम लोग जब club में होते हैं, I'm sure जिन्होंने भी रात को clubbing किया है, I'm sure जब Bollywood night होता है और अगर कोई पुराना गाना बजता है, we all get so excited, right?
True.
तो ये वही है. पुराना गाना बज रहा है.
ट्रिब्यूट.
You know, और आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा है to recreate the old Hindi songs. But what we've done in this, what's done beautifully by Tanishq, who's our music director, we've retained the old voices. बप्पीदा की आवाज़ है, अनुराधा पोडवाल की आवाज़ है इसमें. Amin Siani is also there. So any obviously RJ आप हो तो आपको पता है who he's a legend in the RJing world. Amin Siani की भी आवाज़ है इसमें. So it's actually a hashtag TBT. It's actually a throwback. And Badshah is also wrapped in this. So it's a fusion of old and new. I think we all were little nervous obviously, but this is our take on it and we don't want to take more time. I know you all want to see the song, judge it, criticize it, praise it. But honestly, हम लोग ने दिल से किया है. Like or dislike it. You all can say whatever you all want, but we honestly had a blast doing it. And we've already got a thumbs up from Baba and Madhuri ma'am.
So let's have the song.
Let's have the song. Let's have the song, guys.
आपको पता चला कि ये सॉन्ग करना है, हाउ मच वर यू एक्साइटेड? एंड डेफिनेटली वी नो कि वरुण एंड आलिया लाइक वेरी डांस फ्रीक इन फैक्ट, यू नो, तो हाउ मच यू एंजॉय शूटिंग?
डांस फ्रीक? Free or freak?
Dancing.
हाँ, yeah.
Alia is a freak.
I don't know. I was very excited. Varun actually was the one who called me up and said, Alia, we're doing Tamma Tamma. We have to bring our A game on. We have to rehearse. We have to look amazing. We have to look smashing. Because that's what Varun always does. No? He'll always call me up and charge me up. And if I'm even a little bit down, I'll suddenly be up and I'll be all over the place. But that's actually how excited we were. I mean, as Shashank said, if we had given the chance, we'll do it all over again. But I'm glad you guys liked it. Hit hogi, na?
Yeah, definitely. Varun, what?
You know, I'll tell you something very it might sound freaky. I knew I'm going to do this song someday in my career. And this happened to me when I was 16 years old, working out with Sanjay Dutt in his own gym. And he had his CD disc player that time, and there was this Tamma Tamma written on it with fell pen. So it was the original mix version, I mean, of that time. And I said, Sanju sir, can I play this? And I was like, yeah, play. And he was in a Ganji and he had this weight मारने के लिए वो band पहनते वो पहना हुआ था. And we put it on and the dun. And I was just looking at him and he's double my size. But I was like, dude, अगर मैं ये गाना करूँगा तो मेरा क्या होगा? लोग पागल हो जाएंगे. तम्मा again. I started imagining वो bubble आता है. And it's happened now. And if you dream it, it can happen. I just
You know, a
that's
very
it, yeah.
freaky story to this is when I was studying filmmaking in my institute. We were all 90s fans, and the minute Tamma Tamma used to play, I was like, this song is going to be in my movie one day. So it is so freaky. And I know all my friends right now are going to be thinking about it. So
But we have to thank T Series, Bhushan sir for.
Absolutely.
And
He
bo-
promised us that he's going to do the step with us, but I don't think he's come.
ओके तो हमने देखा सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन हमने देखा बहुत ही एनर्जी दिखाई है आप लोगों ने गाने में लेकिन क्योंकि गाने की जो लाइन होती है तू प्रेमी से स्टार्ट होती है और वैलेंटाइन डे भी आने वाला है तो क्या कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग करने वाले हैं आप लोग
बोल दिया.
आई मिस्ड यू. ये तुम्हारा जो सवाल मैंने बहुत मिस किया. तू प्रेमी हमारे लिए कौन है वरुण?
पहले तो तू प्रेमी मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ. आंटी.
रियल लाइफ में कौन है तू प्रेमी? उस्त कर दा.
कौन है?
मेरे लिए कोई प्रेमी नहीं है भाई. बोल दो.
ओह,
प्रेम चुप रहा है.
एंड वरुण एंड आलिया आज प्रॉमिस डे भी है तो आज
डे है? कौन सा है भाई?
प्रॉमिस डे
अरे रोज कोई ना कोई दिन होता है यार. आज एक ही दिन
क्या
है.
क्या
और
प्रॉमिस डे? प्रॉमिस डे. तो आज आप हमको एक प्रॉमिस कीजिए
क्या
कि आज के बाद आप प्रेमी के बारे में नहीं पूछेंगे.
Tanishk sent the song to Bappida, asked him, and Bappida spoke to Tanishk, and they had that conversation. I think Bappida gave his own views कि ये भी कर सकते हैं. So it's a very collaborative effort. This song will always remain Bappida's. It is his song, and it will forever be Bappida's song. It will forever be Sanjay Dutt, Madhuri Dixit, Saroj Khan. It is their song. It is just how young people when they hear a song जो पुराना गाना होता है जैसे आप लोग कभी देवानंद का गाना सुनते हो या दिलीप कुमार का गाना सुनते हो those memories get refreshed. So same way for us we go through that nostalgia.
like I was 9 years old when I heard the song for the first time, and I think we feel extremely blessed that all of them have given us their blessings. We are really honored. So उन सब ने बहुत अच्छी चीजें बोली and we are just praying that it works out well for us.